Hello. Welcome back. All right. So, a minute 20 until day two kicks off. Um, I have my function queued up immediately to get my input once it opens up. So, even if it does fall over, hopefully we're one of the first ones. Uh, yeah, let's see. Day two. So, in 2019, day two was the beginning of the int code challenges, um, which I personally wasn't a fan of. So, here's hoping. Here's hoping there's no assembly language or anything that we need to decode. I'm watching chat on my phone, so feel free to leave messages. I'll check that periodically. Yeah, let's see. Man, I was going through the solution thread on on Reddit. There are quite a few people using APL or J or K, array-based languages anyway, this year. It's pretty cool to see. I think that's really neat. All right, let's see. In we go. Yep, that's our input. Must contain A at least one time and at most 3 times. Uh, okay, well, fair enough. So for each P, no, I'm calling this ints, right? Uh, Mix, we'll call this counts. Yep, and then chars, right? And pretty sure we can also mix this. And this will be called, we can just call this PT, I guess. Okay, so the question is, so for write tech PT, we want to run key jot length, right? Oh, that'll be, if I do write tech PT, what do I get? Yeah, so this has to be for each, like so. And then the question is, I should really just do this in a function. Oh, and then that's going to be, hang on, I need it'd be better if I had the digits there actually. Okay. So quad D, quad A, W, membership, enclose, left. Uh, oh. Okay. We'll call this P. And then right? That still works. Okay, great. So P for each. Really? Yep. And then, so for P, this is, it's got to be between 13 and 16 inclusive. Must contain 8 at least, so it is inclusive. Okay, great. This is going to be, call this like N, and then that's going to be left tack, 3 index W disclose equals, yep. And then we use that to filter on N. Filter first. Right. Right tack. Call this like C. Yeah, and then we'll have AB is equal to 2 take W for each executes. And then the question is whether A is less than C and A is, or B is greater than C. Great, enlist sum 517. Okay. Didn't seem to be with the official toboggan. Which policy actually describes 2 positions in the password where 1 means the first character, 2 means the second character? Exactly 1. Okay, so we have P. This is going to be for each P, 2 take W for each execute. Call this position 1. Actually, we can just index this immediately into W disclose, right? And then this is going to be W index 3 equals sum 1 equals enlist sum 284. Aha! I got rank 696. All right, well, great. Could have been a bit faster, actually. Okay, great. Well, that was a lot smoother than yesterday. So let's try and make it prettier. Okay, so we have P. How did I parse this out? Like this, right? Hmm. Oh yeah, that's right. So this will be for each inget in slash one.txt one. How about two? Yeah. All right. Fair enough. Call this P, and actually we'll save some time if we do at 1, 2 execute. Probably have to disclose it. Disclose jot like this. Yeah. All right, great. For each execute. Better. Okie doke. That's not shorter if I use iota 2, right? Good enough. And then what did I do for part one? Did some pretty gnarly key stuff. So we have, right, I don't need to execute this anymore. Um, so the basic idea is that we're taking a key to get the counts, and then we want just the count of the character. Oh, this can be much simpler. Sorry, geez. Okay. It's just whenever I see counts, I automatically go to the key operator. Um, so we can actually do 3-tac w disclose equals w disclose. Yeah, like so. And then the sum should you can basically do a train like this. I don't know, can we? Can we? Can we? Should be able to do a reduction here, maybe? I mean, I could just do like A, B, 2 take W, um, A less than, and it would be like A jot less than, B jot greater than. And if I sum that, I get 517. So, hmm. Yeah, I don't really know a better way to do this. I'll think of something. Um, okay, I guess. Part one for now. And then part two is this, right? 284. Domain error. Yeah, because I already executed those. So, 2 type W, index into W. Yeah, I feel like this can be simpler too. Um, what's the length? They're all 4. So we can mix P. Hmm. Do I want to split these out into separate vectors? Would that be helpful? It's not really what I had in mind. Oh, yeah, I have to mix it first. Let's just imagine for a second that then we split these. We have start in char and string, right? Then part one is if I do C, will that work? It does. then sum. And if I table this, and I do oh, I use the same variable twice, so we'll use t for this. Right? Let's start, and then we'll put end on the end. And then rank 1 will ask if iota 3 matches sort W. Should specify. Okay. That's a little more interesting. Actually, we can do sort rank 1. Then we can get rid of this, and we could do match rank 1. Same deal. Okay. Let's say that we were going with this solution. Like it would look like this, basically. Sect. Great. Um, hmm. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Right, 517. And then for part 2, what did I do with part 2 before? It's this one, right? And this one is basically right. So S E rank 1 well, so we can do split like this, and then for each index jot string. Damn. Close though. Bet this will work rank 0. It's very strange. For each T index backwards. Yeah. Oh, that worked. For each C equals. For each sum. One equals sum. 284. This can just be rank 1, I think. No, it won't. Yeah. Hmm. That's pretty good part 2. I like this marginally more than our original solution. Yeah, I think I'm going to post this. And the whole thing should run. Yeah. Okay, great. Well, that's day 2 then. I have some videos to upload to my YouTube channel, and I think I have to post this to GitHub as well. But I will try and stay on top of that. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow.